how to see the list of people you are following on TikTok. Now, this is simple, so uh, I'll show you guys how to do it in a little while. But before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now, let's start. First, make sure that you've installed your TikTok on your mobile phone. And after you've installed TikTok, just log in and open it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my TikTok. So to see your following list, let me just go to your profile section right there, uh, reload it. And as you can see, there are 6 following right now. I have 2 followers, 2 likes and 6 followings. Just tap on that 6 following right now. And after you tap on it, you will see all the list of people that I am following right now. Now you can do this to your account and you will see all the people that you're following. So that is pretty much it. That is how you see the list of people you're following on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.